When you start a design, the first thing you'll want to do is pick the right power integrations IC. You may already know which one you want to select, but if not, that's not a problem because PI Expert will help you choose the right one based on your application requirements and your specification. Here you see the product portfolio window. We'll use the product filter to capture the needed specifications to start the power supply design. The first one is the application. Why does the application matter? It's important because it enables PI Expert to start with the design defaults and specifications that will otherwise not be known to the tool. So it'll help us get started with the design sooner. I'm going to go ahead and pick industrial, very popular application. And now we just work through the rest of the product filter inputs. We've got the output power. For this example, I'm going to pick 40 to 100 watts, let's say. And then for input types, there's a number of input types. Let's choose universal because we're going to let this work anywhere in the world. For the number of outputs, I'm going to pick just one for now. Is it an isolated supply? Yes or no? Let's do isolated. And then for output type, we've got constant current, constant voltage. I'm going to do constant voltage and constant current. And for topology, let's go ahead and pick among the several different options that are available, flyback. For high PF or low total harmonic distortion, I'm just going to leave that open. Now that we've filled in all the inputs from the product filter, you can see on the left-hand side, there's just a fewer number of parts remaining. So in this case, only 4. And if you know which one you want to use, you can just select it. So in this case, let's, for example, select, I like this, InnoSwitch 3 EP flyback. And then you can launch into your design either with PI Expert, which is the GUI-based design platform, or PI XLS, which is a spreadsheet-based design platform. If you still don't know which one to choose among those 4, simply click the Help Me Choose button. That brings up the device recommendation wizard, which helps narrow down the possible ICs that can be used for the application. In this case, PI Expert's recommending just 2 parts, and it'll also provide detailed information on why one part can be used over the other. In this case, it's prioritizing InnoSwitch 3 EP, the 900 volt flyback. So to recap, if you already know the part you want to use, you could just pick it from the full part listing and then start designing. But if you don't know, the product filter table has a design wizard built in to help you select the right part for your application. PI has a huge portfolio of products, and this tool is one of the very best ones to help you pick the right part for your application needs.